The human gas exchange system. The respiratory system is a biological system consisting of specific organs and structures used for gas exchange in humans and other animals. It also moves air back out of the body. The exhaled air contains more of our waste gas, carbon dioxide. But how do we get oxygen from the air to our body cells and get carbon dioxide out? Let's follow the journey of a breath of air, starting with the moment you inhale. Nasal cavity and mouth. Air enters our body through these openings. Pharynx and larynx. The pharynx is a pathway for both air and food, leading to the larynx, which contains our vocal cords. Trachea. Also known as the windpipe, the trachea filters the air we inhale. Bronchi and bronchioles. The trachea divides into two bronchi, each leading to a lung. The bronchi further subdivide into smaller bronchioles within the lungs. Lungs. These are the main organs of respiration where gas exchange occurs. Tiny air sacs at the end of bronchioles where the actual gas exchange takes place, called alveoli. Here, oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses through the walls of the alveoli and into the capillaries, entering the bloodstream. At the same time, carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the alveoli to be exhaled. Oxygen binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells and is transported throughout the body to be used in cellular respiration, providing energy for all our activities. When we breathe out or exhale, the diaphragm and intercostal muscles relax, decreasing the chest cavity's volume and pushing air out of the lungs, expelling carbon dioxide. Importance of efficient gas exchange. Efficient gas exchange is crucial for maintaining the body's pH balance, supporting cellular respiration, and keeping us energized and healthy. Factors affecting gas exchange. Proper matching of airflow, ventilation, and blood flow, perfusion, in the lungs ensures efficient gas exchange. A larger surface area allows for more gas exchange. Their lobe shape gives them a huge surface area. Thinner membranes facilitate easier diffusion of gases. Understanding the human gas exchange system helps us appreciate the importance of maintaining healthy lungs through proper breathing, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful substances. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Study Sketch for more educational content. See you next time.